What if you could combine multiple images into one stunning AI-generated artwork in just a few clicks? Today, I'll show you how to do it using Canva's Image Fusion AI. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva and open Image Fusion AI. Click on Open, then select Choose Files. Now upload at least 2 images you'd like to merge together. These can be anything: portraits, landscapes, animals, or even objects. Once your images are uploaded, enter a prompt describing how you want them combined. The more detailed your prompt, the more creative and accurate the result will be. You can also choose an aspect ratio for your generated image. I'm going to leave it at the default setting for this example. Now click Generate and let Canva AI work its magic. In just a few moments, your new AI-generated image will be ready. Looks amazing, right? If you'd like to use it in your project, simply click Add to Design, and Canva will instantly place it into your current design. And that's how easy it is to create unique AI artwork using Canva's Image Fusion AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva and AI tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.